Sharjah Light Festival put Sharjah's landmark building in the spotlight with spectacular images projected onto their facades. It features large-scale light installation and projection inspired by subjects such as science, creativity, and knowledge. The 11-day festival attracts over 500,000 visitors to more than a dozen locations across the Emirates, including Sharjah City Municipality, Sharjah Mosque, Masjid Al Noor, University City Hall, Omran Taryam Square, Majaz Waterfront, food trucks area, and many more. The Sharjah Light Festivals enable students to utilize their knowledge of the Emirates and their developing creative skills into creating a show with relevant cultural content. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are here in Sharjah Municipality. What we are doing here, so we are waiting for a light show and I'm gonna show you how beautiful the light show here. But before that one, we will take family photo. So the light show will start at 1 minute and 31 seconds. So amazing. So we're going now in the next light show. So we are in here right now. Gosh. Come on, there are lots of people. Go, 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 go in the next show. Come on, baby, come on, go, go, faster. So our car is kind of far, so we'll just run. So we're running right now. We are almost in our car. We're gonna go in the other place to watch the fireworks here. Come on. That show is so amazing, spectacular. So we're in hurry right now. We're going to watch fireworks, but I don't know, I think we will not make it because it's super traffic here. Hey guys, we are now in the pedestrian lane and the fireworks already started. So guys, they have here traveling breaks, but it's from January 20 to March 1 only. So right now we're gonna go inside and we will see what are the things inside.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild upside down.
Hey guys, so over here I see that they are displaying different cars, planes, trains in a Lego way.
The labyrinth will guide you far away to the place where
So guys, they make a shuttle also, space shuttle in a Lego. So, see my back. Traveling Bricks. An exhibition made of Lego bricks features display constructed of nearly 1 million Lego blocks that will take you in a journey of land, sea, air, and space travel. The exhibition is located at Majaz Waterfront Sharjah. Hey guys! As you can see here, this is a Titanic. It's Titanic in a Lego. Wow! I believe that my heart will go on and on.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild, upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your bones and
as part of Sharjah Light Festival, so I am here in Masjid Sheikh Rashid bin Hamad Al Qasimi, and I'm just enjoying the light show. It's so beautiful, it's so spectacular, it's so amazing. Hey guys, so today is February 15 and today is the last day of the Sharjah Light Show. As part of the celebration of the Sharjah Light Show, they are lighting some famous structures, mosques here in UAE. So come on, let us enjoy this show and be amazed. Hey guys, so we are here in Sharjah University City Hall and we are enjoying the light show. This building is included in the Sharjah Light Show Festival. So we are just here to enjoy the lights. Hey guys, so we are here in Sharjah Light Festival. Hey guys, so as part of the celebration of Sharjah Light Show, so we are here in food trucks area. So we're just enjoying the place and it's so beautiful. So guys, thank you for watching. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. So see you in my next vlog. So that's it for Sharjah Light Festival. I hope you enjoy it.